Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you 6 different YouTube background ideas, and they are really easy to do, and all of the ideas are really cheap. I've been thinking about doing a series on DIYs that you could use for your YouTube videos, and I was also thinking about doing videos on how to edit your videos and your thumbnails. If you would like to see videos like that, let me know in the comments down below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first background idea I'm going to show you is made out of scrapbook or cardstock paper. All you have to do is take some sheets of scrapbook or cardstock paper and lay them out in any way that you would like. You may have to zoom in onto the paper to crop out any spaces not covered by the paper. And to prevent the paper from moving, you can tape the paper down onto the surface that it's on top of. Here's an example of how it could look like with your DIY or something else on top of the paper. The second background I'm going to show you is made out of poster board. You can take any color of poster board, like pink or orange, and use it as a background. I do recommend getting a big piece of poster board so you wouldn't have to zoom in to crop out the space that's not covered by it. You can also take a piece of green poster board, and you can either leave the background green or you can use it as a green screen. And you can put your own image or an image that you can use legally in place of the green poster board. The one thing you'll have to do is to make sure the shadows are not there while you're filming, because it doesn't look that good when the shadows are there. Here's an example of what something would look like with the stuff on top of the poster boards. The third background I'm going to show you is made from a blanket. All you have to do is grab a blanket and fold it in half, and you can use a blanket with a pattern, or you can just use a plain blanket. This is the current way that I film all of my DIY videos, and make sure you be very careful if you are painting something, because you can get paint onto the blanket by accident and you'll probably end up ruining your blanket if you don't get it out with soap and water quickly. Here's 2 examples of what it could look like with the stuff on top of the blanket. The fourth background I'm going to show you is made out of Christmas lights. All you need is some Christmas lights and some hooks to hang up the lights, or if you have a shelf that has hooks, you can hang the lights on the shelf. I hung 2 different colors of lights onto my shelf that has hooks, and I connected the lights together. I use this background idea for my fashion videos. Just one thing about this is that if you have a camera that has a manual focus, and if you can't turn that off because that's the way how your camera was made, you may have issues with the camera focusing on you and the video will become blurry. Here's an example of how it may look if you were to stand in front of the lights. The 5th background I'm going to show you is made out of wrapping paper. You can take some wrapping paper and roll it out, and you can use any color or pattern of wrapping paper. If you don't like the color of the wrapping paper that you already have, you can use the back of the wrapping paper instead. For the last background, all you have to have is a wooden floor. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know which one of these backgrounds is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!